Okay, so in answer to your question, Tilly, about the product backlog, which is the new column in the board that we showed earlier on, yeah, that is managed by the PO. The product owner manages the product backlog. So the product backlog, you have all the requirements there. So you have some stories there, and the stories there might be that just have the title and just a brief description, but not the full story. Maybe the acceptance criteria have not been put in there yet, and the BAs need to do that. So when they meet with the PO and the PO is telling them, okay, so this is what we'll be working on. This is the story that I need you to work on for the sprint one that we're going into. This is the goal for our sprint one. So these are the stories you need to work on. So once they've been told that, they move those user stories or requirements from the product backlog, they move it into BA. They do more research. They put the acceptance criteria in, what is mandatory, the Moscow, using the Moscow and all that. And their story has to meet the definition of ready for the team and definition of done for them. That's when they use the invest technique to write their stories and all that. And once that has been done, once they've written that, they put it into the BA done column, and then they get in touch with the product owner to review the story so that it is in line with what the stakeholders have asked for. And once that is done and the PO believes that is done, everything is good to go, it moves it into the approved column in readiness for the sprint planning. Hope that answers your question.
Thank you very much.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, you're welcome. All right. Have we answered all your questions?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Quickly, Ade and Daniel, I want us to create the project board for the team this night. So I don't want us to dwell so much on the questions. I'll be taking the question as we go ahead. So before we do that, can I get a volunteer who is on the laptop, who is able to share their screen and then show us how to create the project board?
Can volunteer.
Daniel, for what team?
From Ruby.
Ruby. Okay, so Daniel, I'm going to send you some details that will give you the permission to be able to do what you want to do. So who am I getting for Emerald? Emerald?
Francis is here.
Yeah? Francis?
Yes. Yes, Moji, I can hear you.
Yes, okay, so that's fine. So Daniel, so I want you to check your email in a few minutes on Telegram. No, not your email, your Telegram. I'll DM you some information, yeah?
Okay.
And then you use the details I sent to you to log in into the Azure, not your own personal login details. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly do that right now. Sorry, Martha, yeah. Sorry, Martha, what did you say? I didn't hear you. Did you have a question?
Yes, I stepped out to the bathroom. I missed the information. You were.
I was asking for people to volunteer so that I can share. I want us to have a workshop, a practical workshop of you creating your board the way you've seen me do it, and then I'll just be on the background watching.
I guess Daniel volunteered already.
Yeah, Daniel volunteered for Ruby, and then Francis, I'm looking for your email. Okay. All right, Francis, I've sent yours, so please check. Then I'm just going to send for Daniel. Okay. Bear with me, I'm still looking for your name, that's why.
That's more, right? I can just chat you once and for all. Let me see.
Oh no, it's no more.
Oh, okay. Okay. I thought that.
The person you're looking for on your team will be Mojisola Olaiwola, not more. So it's written out in full. The more
Okay.
is somebody else.
I'll just check.
Okay. Let me know once you've done that.
I just did.
Okay, let me check. All right. Oh, okay. So I was actually looking for Daniel.
Yeah, I guess that's it.
Okay, so I've sent it also to you. So if you can log in with the details you have before sharing your screen. Once you're on the project board, let me know. And then you can share your screen and then we see you create your team's project. Okay, so if we start with Francis, I sent you yours before. Are you there? Are you on the project, Azure DevOps project board now? Hi, Francis.
Yes, but I'm trying to log in before sharing the screen.
Okay, just log in with that detail, not your personal
Yes.
details, because with your personal details, you won't have the permission to be able to create the board. Okay, Ade, you have your hands up. If you have a question while Francis and Daniel are doing what they're doing, let's quickly go into it.
Yes,
I
my
had a question. Okay, go ahead, Adi.
sorry, my question is, as a SM, are we going to be writing user stories?
No.
Okay, and tickets also. Are we just going to be amending them, or is that the right word to use? Tickets, are we going to be?
Okay, so you don't work with tickets. What's the?
Sorry, user stories. Let's go on user stories. Are we going to be writing user stories, or it's just awareness that we need?
Okay, so you don't write it, it's just the awareness you need.
Okay,
You don't
that's fine.
write it, you don't amend it.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Then, because the way I was reading somewhere that we need, I don't know, maybe we should be, just get acquaintance with it. So I need to clarify that. Well, thanks for that.
Yeah, no, you don't you didn't write it and then you don't amend it also.
Okay.
That's the job of the BA. Even if the PO feels that something is not written properly,
Yeah.
it tells them to go and update it.
Okay.
The PO doesn't do it herself or himself. They have to do it because it's their expertise. Remember, that's their role.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Any other person with question while we're waiting for either Francis or Daniel to
Hi,
share their
sorry.
screen?
I have a question, please.
Okay, Daniel, go ahead.
So setting up the whole project and all. My question is, do we have to do this all the time? Like, is it possible for us, like for us to copy a previous setup, duplicate, and just make some edits? Or we have to set up and set all parameters and everything each time we have a project?
Okay, so it depends. Like I said, you're setting up your configuration and customization of your body so that it suits your project. So if you're cloning somebody else's project, remember it's suiting their own project. It's set in such a way that is in line with their project, is in line with their team structure already. And then after setting that up, if you need to now be changing, it's set up on an inherited process already. So you can't kind of change it. You have to create your own inherited process and set it up in such a way that it suits your own project. That's why you're creating the inherited process, so that you don't set up somebody else's project on your own project, or somebody else doesn't set up their own project on your own project. That's why you have that inherited process. Because if everybody is creating, using the Scrum process, and they are creating different things on it, it will be going on other people's projects who might not need those things that they are setting up. Okay, any other question?
Emoji,
before
I'm
we
ready
go?
when you are.
All right, yes, please share your
ready
screen
for
once you're
all.
ready.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
It's coming up. Okay, yes, we can see it now. Okay, so for all these Scrum Masters in, Francis, what team are you?
Emerald.
Okay, so all the Scrum Masters in Emerald, Francis is your driver. Okay, so you are all the sat nav. If you feel he gets to anywhere that he's stuck, you can help him out. And Francis, you have roughly anywhere you get to, you can continue as a team. You can meet after this meeting
Okay.
and continue, but at least let's give it a try. So just giving you roughly
To be honest, we shared a
let's
lot
say
of this
15 minutes.
frustrating
Let's see
information.
where you get to with 15 minutes. Go ahead. I'm
I'm
just
not
gonna
sure I
skip.
can get that far anyway.
Your team members will help you, don't worry.
Team members, what name should we give it?
Emerald.
Yeah.
Ruby. It's Ruby, isn't it?
Oh, is it Ruby or Emerald?
No, this is I'm with Emerald.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry about that. Apologies.
Right,
Just
description.
put a space between the team and Emerald.
Description.
Oh, don't know.
Not needed.
Summer 2023 Scrum training.
Don't put Scrum training there. Sorry, Francis.
No
Your description, your description might be your project mandate because you don't have it yet. You can leave that place blank. You can always go back to put something
Okay.
there. Okay.
Right. It stays as GIT, right?
No, take out the description, Daniel. Take the description out for now.
It's editable, right?
Yeah, just take it out.
Do I need to invite anyone now? Or later?
It's too early to invite you.
Invite your Scrum Masters.
Okay. Sorry, it's not coming up.
Ask them for their email address because it's the email address we use, not the names.
Okay.
Who are you trying to put on?
Martha.
Martha, what's your email address?
Maybe we can write them on the chat button for him to copy and paste.
Will it be easier for you to copy and paste from the chat box?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm typing, but it's not writing. Is there a problem with it?
Can you put it in the
Okay,
Telegram group?
at gmail.com.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Damina Girl, DAMINAGAL at Gmail.
Delphin.
Yes, please. I just sent my on the chat box, emddelphine2021@gmail.com.
So where did you send it to? Is it to Moji or everyone?
That should
Yeah,
be, oh, prep measure. Sorry. Let me send EM Delphine.
is that correct?
Let me see, let me check.
EMDLPHIN.
EMD Delphine 2021@gmail.com. Perfect.
Well,
QueenViv69@gmail.com is on the chat. QueenViv 69@gmail.com.
one more press. Are we 4 or 5? I think that's it, right?
We're four of us, if I'm not mistaken.
I've written my email address as well.
I think are you in Ruby or Emerald? Victoria,
It's with you guys.
Emerald.
are you in Emerald? Okay.
It's got double E at the end. So it's EE. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Boards.
Next, we go to advanced, click on advanced or something like that.
No, that's been done.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone to help me?
I don't know, I'm confused myself. Which?
To create an inherited process. So we go to project
Go
settings,
to project settings at the bottom.
scroll down to the bottom, project settings, yeah. Click on the
No, not
process.
that.
Not that, go to project settings, yes. To the last,
No.
no, further down.
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah, further down.
No, that's it. I'm there already.
Okay. So project, so
The
click on
process.
the process, then
Project detail.
Scrum, click on Scrum,
I've clicked on Scrum.
all processes.
Click on all processes. Process.
Go to the 3 dots. Oh yeah, all processes. Then
For
go to Scrum, go to the 3 dots.
3 dots.
Scrum.
Scrum.
The
Yeah,
three
that
dots
one.
on Scrum.
Inherited process.
If you inherited.
Right.
Yes.
Scrum for Emerald. Has to be together, right?
Mhm.
Great.
Description.
We don't have description now.
And
Um,
Isn't it Scrum Emerald? You click the three dots on. Am I right? No, the three dots, is it?
on
Yes.
on the three dots. And then you change project process.
Don't create anything there. That's not where you're
no,
supposed to
not
go
this
to.
one.
Oh.
Go to project settings. Process.
We need to change.
Click on the Scrum process.
Oh, you've gone back again.
We need to change it to
Go to your project settings at the bottom. Projects, not backlog level, projects.
Click on Scrum process.
Yep.
No.
Ah, go back to project settings.
Yeah, I'm back in project settings now.
So from project settings, you click on the process. And then click on the three dots in front of Scrum.
Yeah, we've done that already.
Done that already.
Click
So what are you
on,
meant to go again?
click on inherited cases.
Done that.
We have done that. I think maybe project configuration.
Project configuration.
Yes.
The process is so long. I don't know how my brain is gonna keep this.
Frequency makes it perfect.
Set dates. Are we setting dates?
You need to click on sprint one first. Isn't it?
Three dots.
Okay, so don't create a sprint yet.
Okay.
Okay. Moving forward.
I think you click on the three dots in front of Team Emerald. No,
So
the three dots.
creating a sprint.
Yeah. Right. Next.
That is team configuration.
Team configuration.
Right. We're working 7 days a week.
Click the last. Oh, is this the last one or the first one? Scroll down.
No,
The
the
Epic.
last one.
The first.
Oh, first, yeah, with
The first one,
requirements.
Epic.
Right. What's next?
Before you leave that page, there's something else you need to do.
Scroll down.
That's fine.
Nothing.
It's actually at the top.
The top one, the first one, epics.
Oh.
Hydration.
Under backlog navigation.
Hydration areas and
Yep.
general. Well, we start with general.
Areas remain the same.
Templates remain the same for now. What of iterations? Okay.
I've changed it. It's fine. Next.
Go back to your general. There's still something that needs to be done on this page.
Can you go up, go to click on epics?
Epic, I think it's epics, isn't it?
Yeah, click on it, yes.
Missed that.
Then we'll go to the dashboard.
Up. Yes.
Dashboard, yeah. You create dashboard, edit. So you leave the delete. And go to board, under board, click new.
Roger.
Now go to board.
No, board on the side.
Yeah, this one.
Yes.
Mhm.
I'm clicking on which one?
Okay, don't think configurations. The project
Yeah,
configuration
we've done that.
We
We've
have done that. We have done that.
or
already.
GitHub connection.
No, we have-
So, Team Emerald, how do you get on your board to configure the boards to create all your columns?
Team configuration,
No,
project configuration.
no. Francis is getting there, and then he's moving away.
Yes.
Settings.
Not this board.
No.
there's
Go
another
all the way to your left completely. There's a panel that shows all those
The
layers.
blue
So
panel is the green
one,
panel.
the green one.
All right.
Green
boards.
boards. Yeah.
But I don't know which board. Let's click on the board.
Add.
So on the board, you click new.
Columns.
Okay. Yeah.
This like gets tricky.
Right.
Click on add the plus.
Yeah,
Okay.
done that.
He's clicked it.
10.
So we put
10,
10,
yeah.
10,
Put 8 if you like. 10.
and we put BA in.
No, in BA.
In BA.
In
Okay.
You create another column.
Right.
Yeah, then
BA
BA
done.
BA done. Another column.
10, change the work in progress to 10, yeah.
In depth.
In depth.
Dev done.
Dev done.
UAT.
In QA.
In QA.
QA.
BA done. 10, 10, 10.
Work in progress 10.
Progress 10 WIP.
UAT.
In UAT.
In UAT. UAT done. WIP 10.
So we have to organize the columns. Which one should come first? So I think in
Team Emerald, you have 5 more minutes.
In BA, because that's pre
after new is
spring planning, isn't it?
yeah.
Then
Then
BA done.
then dev comes in dev.
Thank you.
In dev.
In the
Sorry, Tim, what comes after your BA done? After your BA has finished working, what happens next? What's the process?
The backlog items are sent into the sprints.
the development team, isn't it?
No, check all the columns you have and tell me what comes up after your BA done.
Is the dev.
The dev.
Okay, Team Ruby, what comes after the BA done? Anybody now, not just Emerald, anyone, any Scrum Masters. After your BA has written the story and they've completed it, what's the next process?
Approved.
Tester.
Approved. It's true.
Okay, so Team Emerald, let's
PO.
move it.
Approved. Then in dev.
Then after approve, what comes next? It's not your in-dev.
Oh,
Anybody else?
Committed.
Good, thank you.
Committed and new approved committed. You're not doing badly though.
Then in dev.
okay. Then the developer picks it up. Where are you going?
In dev.
All right. This is
All right.
In dev after committed.
I think it's done there.
Yeah.
Yes.
In
So
the
Dev
dev
done, and
in QA, QA done.
QA done, then done, done.
Then we go to cards.
We go to
parts.
Uh,
The first
go to setting.
tag.
field.
No, cards, then setting. Then fields. Go to
Fields.
fields. The first one.
ID.
Backlog and yeah, then plus field. Click on the
Drop
These
down.
ones need to be left as they are.
no, yes, this one is okay. Then click on the plus sign to add field.
Area path.
To change the state margin, go to
Area path.
Area path. You've gone beyond that.
Up.
Click again.
Priority. Assign to.
You have your assigned to already on it by
So
default.
click another field.
Yeah.
Field to add one more.
You can also help us to click on the drop down that we see what we are missing.
Okay.
no on the assigned.
It's assigned to is here already,
It's already there.
It's already there.
right?
Okay, I think we are done.
Any other one?
State is there, value. Work item type.
What item type?
Item type. I think that's it. Save and
Then we go to the ball.
Check if you want to display field.
click on check if you want to. Click the field at the bottom, the tick box, yeah.
Ball. Mhm.
Same with board.
Yes. Drop down arrow.
Drop down.
Drop down the arrow.
Identified by
Severity.
severity.
Severity. Severity.
Resolved by.
No, you've done that. Okay, resolved by.
Resolved by. Can you help us?
Click the field again. Click
Click
field.
on the drop down.
Is effort not part of it?
No. I think we are good
Go
to.
down.
We are true.
Value area.
Work item type, I think.
So we have that was for
Value area.
no.
Yeah, somebody
No,
remember
it's not
value area.
value area.
Resolved
It's not value
and
area.
severity.
What
That's
about
what-
created by? Is it not part of it?
We have these people that already.
we can still put created by because somebody has to resolve it. There's a place to resolve by. Okay.
I think
What of
that's-
close?
and save and close.
So you can save now. Check if you want to display
Okay.
field or empty.
Oh,
Save and close. Save and close. So that we know.
Yeah. Mhm. No.
Okay, well done, Team Emerald. Yeah, that was good collaboration between all of you. Okay, so let's see. Daniel, are you able to share your screen? Have you been able to sign in?
Yes.
Okay, so are you able to share your screen? So Team Emerald, it doesn't end here. You know, there's still a lot of other things that you need to do, but at least once you have the video, yeah, and then you can all decide to come together at a particular time to finish your configuration, get it ready so that by the time your BA starts putting their stories on, you know, there is no glitch and any other thing like that. Remember the part where you put each column in the state mapping, you've not done that yet, but I just want to give the other team also an opportunity before Digi comes back to the main meeting. Okay. All right, let's see. Also, Daniel is not the only one. Daniel is just the driver. All Scrum Masters in Ruby, yeah. You're all working together on this also. Okay, so go ahead.
Please drop your email already. So what name should we give it?
Ruby.
Ruby.
Ruby Turner. Yeah, Ruby summer training or yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
No description, no.
No description.
No.
Okay.
Go to advanced.
Ruby guys, please speak up. Only one person is talking.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah, go to click on that, go to Scrum.
Scrum, yeah. And G2, let me decide where it is.
Open that one, open the GIT. No, hold on. Is that the one that we're using or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Fine. Create the project.
Okay, what's going on?
Go back. There you go. You're ready to go.
All right, and then
It's now to
setting.
invite. I've sent my email.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Sorry, I need to do that. Let me copy the email address, please. Is Queen Viv in our team?
No,
Okay,
it's
that's
Emerald.
Ogamba Chinyere.
Yeah.
That's my, can you see my email, yeah? ade_surumi@hotmail.com.
Okay, yeah, got it.
Yeah.
No. Oh, no, let me just copy this. Sorry, I'm trying to copy the email. No.
Copy it in manually. Yeah. You want me to call it out for you? Are you okay?
No, I'm good. I'm just Ogamba Chinyere. Please just look at your email while I'm typing so that just in case I miss anything.
That's correct. Mine is correct, yeah. That's correct.
Yeah, that's correct as well.
Okay, so that's done, and then we'll go to settings, right? And then we need to go to processes, and then all processes,
All process.
and then
Then to Scrum.
The three dots in it.
yep. So we call it I think that's okay.
Yeah. We have to go to project setting again.
Okay.
Then we click on project.
From
And Scrum process.
save.
All right, so what's next?
They also click our project to
What?
editors. We have to go to project configuration.
Okay. Configuration. Are we doing anything here?
We are not setting the dates. I think we are leaving it out.
Yeah, not yet. So let's
Epic. Saturday, Sunday.
Box is already there also.
Change.
Iteration.
Change that.
okay. I think this is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do I have to do next?
Team configuration.
Back in team configuration. What else? We've done team configuration. I think.
Also iteration and do the same on reset.
It's done. iteration is done. So we'll go to boards, right?
Uh-huh.
And then we go to setup.
I think we would have also enabled our dashboard.
You mean this?
Where are you? Okay, you are the board. By the side, there should also be a dashboard that we need to enable.
Okay. Guys, am I still on track, or there's something I should do before this?
You
I
can
think we should-
continue.
You can continue because you can, whatever you do, you
We
can go
mustn't
back.
get into all perfect. Yeah, you can continue.
You can go back to it.
Okay.
Yeah. In VA, yeah.
Mhm. Do you want to split it? Doing and
No,
doing?
don't split it. No, don't split it. No.
Okay.
I think is it not done BA? Is it BA done or done BA? Sorry.
BA done.
It's BA.
Do I can go.
Don't
Change
be
it
a BA.
change it to 10.
We already have approved, right? Okay, sorry. So in dev,
In dev, change it to 10.
Are we not missing something? The peer review approved before dev.
Oh,
yeah, we'll rearrange it.
Committed.
It's already there, but it's already there. It's already here.
No, I think she's talking about committed. New approved committed.
It's there, but we just need to arrange it. It's there already.
Oh, okay. Okay, then we don't
We
need
just
to.
need to rearrange it later.
Okay, no problems.
So after dev, QA.
You've not changed the width limit for the other ones you've just done.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Then you have QA done.
Is it 10 whip?
10, yeah. Work in progress 10.
Then in UAT,
Yeah.
Yeah.
UAT done.
On 10.
No,
Added Oh, we're missing that.
What's
Sorry.
that?
Committed, I think we need a column for committed as well. Or is that included already?
Can you speak louder? I didn't get you.
A column, we need committed column, right?
It's there. It's there.
We said he said it was there. We said we had we need new approved he said it's there already.
Yeah.
Okay, it's there. Okay,
So we
it's
just
gonna
need to rearrange.
We need
Okay.
to arrange when we're true.
okay.
Okay, so now we need to rearrange BA.
Be a done. Approved.
Quickly, just to say, while this is being done, if you're on the main room, if you're in the main room and you're a BA, DA, or QA, you need to be in the breakout rooms. So at the bottom of your screen, you will see breakout rooms. Can you please click on it and join your own team? Because this session is just meant to be for the Scrum Masters alone. Thank you.
Then we'll have dev in dev. Done. In USC. And done. I think we can. And the last done is there.
In UAT before
In UAT and
In QA before UAT.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Is acceptance. Okay. Right.
Last one done. We can see.
So I think that's it.
so it goes to cards, isn't it?
Left to right to ensure that it's in the right order.
We approve committed. Okay, done, Q, done, let's see. Yeah. So we can go to card.
Right there.
Mm. What did you press? What did you press that? You should have kept
You
it.
can go back to settle if we're not getting it.
What's that? Okay, yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Have you clicked card already?
Did you click
yes,
cards?
it's on
On
card.
fields. On fields. Okay, yeah, they're there.
What are the columns?
Assign to.
This has to be in the same order, or if you just call it as we see.
Area part.
Area path, sorry.
Board column is up.
Okay, you're duplicating your assigned to. If you're picking it again, it's there by default.
Is there
So
by,
check the
okay.
things you have by default before picking other things from your drop down.
Oh, yeah, assign to. Okay, so we just delete that.
So we've got area path, we've got priority.
Yeah.
Created by.
Is priority part of?
Priority is there.
You have priority for product backlog.
Is there.
Okay.
Sorry, what did you say earlier? Sorry, somebody said something.
Created by.
Okay.
What else?
Work item type.
Another iteration type. Iteration path.
Iteration path. Okay. No.
Did you check? Did you check?
No,
Check the boss.
I think you mistake it. You have to go back, isn't it?
Yeah.
It was a
I have to
mistake.
go back.
It's okay.
Sorry, guys. I don't know what I pressed. Sorry.
Just repeat the process.
I'll call it out. Yeah. Area path. Priority.
Created by.
Work item type.
Board column. Area parts created by resolved severity.
Well, who's that talking? Sorry, who's that?
Sorry?
What's your name? Sorry.
Shinara.
Okay.
Do you have priority for this too?
Yeah.
Let's check.
What else? Can we save?
Hello, sorry. I think the B also want to go back to their rooms. So I think the Kiwi also might want to go. What we're going to do, we're going to give 15 minutes, if that's okay. So, and I'll open the meeting again for next 15 minutes. So then we'll come back again, if that's okay. So you should join your room back, okay, for the next 15 minutes. It's okay. And the DA, are you still okay for next 15 or are you done?
We're done. So what's the next thing for us to do?
The Excel is done. I'm wondering how to get the recording. Will you have it?
No, we'll check at the end anyway. So
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's going to be at the end. It's either it drops on your local system or it drops on the cloud.
Okay.
Okay. All right. But it's going to be at the end of the of the meeting. So let's just have 15 minutes to wrap it up. The DA can stay here and look at what the Scrum Master is doing anyway. So yeah. So and I will give 50, let's say 10 minutes for the BA and the QA to
15,
kind of wrap
please.
up.
The BAs are not done. 15, please.
15. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can the QAs and you can join the session now, please.
So I think we can continue.
Okay. So what's next after this?
We'll have to create a register. Go to new. I think you also go to.
All right, hold on. You don't need to create it. I did that to show you the states. Okay, so that's just to show all the team how your cards, your work item shows on the column. So as a Scrum Master, you don't create the story.
Okay.
Okay.
I think
So
we're done.
guys, what next do we have?
Say that again.
What next? What next do we have?
I think we're done, isn't it?
We don't need to run a query. All of it.
No, because we
can't do that because we're going to run a query on.
We don't have anything to run query on.
Query on, isn't it?
Yes, but I know that we still need to set. Is it work state now?
Our wiki.
A team charter. A team charter.
Yeah, we need to go to wiki.
Okay, we don't want to name it.
Team base.
Okay.
Should we create impediment column or have a general name for it? Ruby team base. It goes. Let's run with it.
So what do we need to have here?
Information.
Maybe and names of our team.
Quick question.
I think he created be a repository, but I don't know if we need it.
Same question. So, quick question. We're trying to create pages under this. Like this is the general wiki. If we are trying to create pages under this, how do we do it?
Who typed team information? Was that you?
Yes.
Okay. Continue. Sorry.
Team responsibilities.
I can hear you.
Roles and responsibilities.
But my question is, are these all going to appear on the same page, or like if I type everything like this, see how it's coming out? So is this just one page or?
All right. Oh, hold on, Daniel. How do we create a sub page under your main page that you've created? Anybody, not just Team Ruby alone. Anyone? How do we create a sub page?
Under rules.
Okay, so what you need to do is you need to save this and close it, and then you find where you create your sub page.
Okay.
So close it. Close is where you saved. No, that side where you went to save. Okay, now. So where you have your Ruby team base, there's a 3 dots. Okay, so you can add your sub page.
Okay.
What
pages do we want to have?
Sorry?
What sub pages do we want to have?
For impediments, we can create a page for impediments.
I'm thinking product documentation, like basic information about whatever product we're working on, or project documentation or something. What do you think?
Okay.
Yeah.
Who does your project documentation?
Yeah.
Okay, so call it be a repository.
Okay.
No, change your title to be a
Title, I think the
representative.
title, yeah.
Okay. Does this make sense?
Save and close.
What else?
DOD.
Charter.
Huh?
Team charter.
Is this charter or CHATTR? Which one?
Right, the spelling is correct.
Okay. What's team charter for?
Yeah, kind of agreement as a team. I think we are not going to go into details.
A living document that serves as guidelines for the team to stay focused.
So we can always populate this later since we have
Yes,
this.
I think it's
Yeah,
also, we have to
we can
do
add to it later.
dashboard.
Yeah, what else do we have to do on the board?
Dashboard. I'll try to add the widgets. Burn down charts.
Burn down, burn up, and yeah.
There was something.
Velocity. I think it should be down there. Spring capacity also. For capacity planning.
Okay. Anyways, this is okay. What else?
Retrospective, but I can't remember how we got to retro.
Retrospective. I'm not sure if it's from here. Is it from here?
I think go back to the board. Go to the board.
Yeah, this is the board. I'm not sure.
Can we check maybe general? I'm not sure, but maybe you have to shout help.
We can try to find. Let's try and see if we can find it, and then if we can't, we'll use our lifeline.
You use 50-50.
Did you click the board?
I've clicked the board before. But yeah, there's the board, and this is the board.
Sprint queries. Can you click the board? Okay, it's still the same. No.
Click on Sprint, yeah, click on it, yeah.
Can we, is it possible for us to do like have a retrospective without having an actual sprint?
We are just setting our board. So
we just set you're
you
setting
have
the
to
board.
get everything ready. You don't have to do it on the day you have a retrospective. So you have to get ready for everything.
Well, remember what they said, that we don't have to finish everything today. If you come on stock, we could come together.
But maybe we still have time. Let's continue.
Yeah. I'm just saying it. Yeah, it's good as you're trying to, we're trying to use
Where is retrospective?
Okay, so Daniel has a good question. He said, do we need to create the retrospective body if we're not having it now? So two questions, two answers to that. You might create it, you might not. So when you're setting up your sprint, definitely you will want to create your retrospective because it comes at the end of your sprint, isn't it? But what I think you're looking at is a situation where you want to have that feature on your project board, and that's what you're not saying, isn't it? You can't say the retrospective what is it called, the feature for it on your board. When you click on your board, it's not showing there. The estimation poker also is not showing. So you can actually go to the gallery extension in order to get it and install it on your project. And how you can do that, if you go to your dashboard, you can link your gallery through your dashboard. So other team members also should be having a look at this. If you click edit at the top, click edit. At that panel, scroll all the way down. You can see that it says, don't see a widget, explore the extension gallery. Can you see it at the bottom? Okay. So what were you looking for? Retrospective, that's it. Okay, so get it free.
Free, yeah.
Okay, before you install, you didn't install it on your own organization.
Ruby, can you go back?
Yes, certainly. I was said.
What about this post-it organization? Do you think it take us there?
Because it showed you the name of the organization you're putting it on. And it wasn't the one for...
You should admin, it wasn't Ruby.
Sure, admin.
So I was going to ask you a question. How do we, can I, Moji?
Yes.
Sorry, this morning I was trying to play around and I mistakenly pressed, I was creating a project and I pressed enter.
Okay, so the one you're looking for is the one at the bottom. I'm coming at it. Yeah, that's where you want to put it. It says the extension already exists. Because I was able to pick it up. I don't know why your team is not able to pick it up.
Yeah, we couldn't find it.
Okay, go back to the organization. Just click on the organization you have there. Where it says it's already exists. Yeah, click on that. Okay, so we're somehow out of the project. All right, go to your browser where you have overview dashboard at the top. One of your browsers that is open with overview dashboard at the top. At the top.
I just need to move my this Zoom thing is.
Oh, something is blocking here.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, go ahead, Ade, with your question while Daniel is doing that.
Yeah, sorry, this morning I was trying to create a project on my own.
Okay, so I've seen what happened now. Sorry, Daniel, you're not on Blue Sky website. Everything you've been creating since is not on Blue Sky.
It's over Mideli.
Admin 7.
Yeah, no, that's not Blue Sky. Okay, so did you click on the link that came with the project, that came with the email I sent you? What I sent you? No, not the email, the message I sent you.
Yes, I did.
Okay, so for you to know the organization you're working on, after Azure DevOps that you can see at the top on your left, can you see the Azure DevOps you have there? Anything that comes after that, that's the organization you're working with.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so if you click on that now, as you can see, there's no Blue Sky. You would have been able to see other projects. Sorry, I didn't even pick that while you're doing what you're doing.
Is it possible we add it?
You can't add an organization.
Okay.
Okay, you know what you can do? Go back to that message. Okay, all right, let's, yeah, this is where we're supposed to come to.
Oh,
Can you see? And when you look at your URL, you will have dev.azure.com/the organization. That's how you know where you're working on. But don't create another one. Let's look for it first. Scroll down, scroll down. No, scroll down where you are. Just scroll down. I just want to see. What did you call your project?
Ruby summer project.
Ruby summer project.
Okay, so go to R because it will arrange it alphabetically.
Scroll down then, all the way down. That's not there.
So it's not there. So that means you created it somewhere else. Yes. So, but this is where you're supposed to create it. So please, while we're working, especially when you're using the admin accounts that would be shared with all the Scrum Masters, be double sure that you have the right URL, or else you'll be creating on something else or somewhere else. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can all meet together tomorrow. Find a time, meet together, and then one person shares the screen, and then you do it. Now you know where you're supposed to put it on.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we, the Scrum Masters, do we talk on team or how do we communicate?
On your Telegram platform, you have the communication platform, so you can talk on your Telegram platform.
Okay.
And also, once you've come here to create your project here, and this goes for both teams, it's just not the Scrum Masters that are going on the project, it's all the team members. So on your Telegram platform, I expect you to request for every team member's email address.
Okay.
So that you can add them to your project.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I know our time is up because other team members are back. So let's carry it on. Just meet and then work together as a team on everything you need to do with your project. At least well done for the demo that both teams have shown tonight. Well done. Okay, Daisy, back to you.
Sorry, Boji, my hands are up before.
Oh, sorry, allow me, yes.
Yeah, I just wanted to, Bolu, I don't know if you really want to speak about their guild so they understand what it's about. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so good evening, everyone. So we have created a grid for you.
Sorry, Bolu, we just want to stop the recording so that we don't have a long
okay.
one again. Yeah.
Okay, sure.